This is Frankie McDowell, my own TV station live in Sydney, Nova Scotia. Wind is picking up in Sydney, Nova Scotia, in Whitney Pier Area right now. And winds are getting high. It's going to be high winds on Thursday, November the 21st, 2013 in Sydney, Nova Scotia. Wind seems to be picking up because of the storm over in Newfoundland. The same storm is bringing a lot of snow in Brook, Newfoundland. It's bringing high winds in Sydney, Nova Scotia right now. The same storm is bringing major snowstorm in Brook, Newfoundland, and Grand Falls, Newfoundland. It's bringing high winds in Sydney, Nova Scotia right now, and some cold temperatures as well. And people in Sydney, Nova Scotia, be prepared. Have your winter jackets ready. Dress very warm. Have your winter hats ready and gloves as well to keep you warm, because it's too cold outside. The wind's starting to pick up on Thursday, November the 21st, 2013. It's going to be real windy outside in Sydney, Nova Scotia. Wind's going to pick up. It's going to be pretty high in Sydney, Nova Scotia as well. Here's my advice. Dress very warm and drink lots of green tea, white tea, and red tea. Drink lots of green tea to keep you warm, since the winds are going to be pretty high in Sydney, Nova Scotia. Right now, winds picking up. That's coming from the same storm as bringing snow in Brook and Grand Falls, Windier, Newfoundland. The same storm is bringing a lot of wind in Sydney, Nova Scotia as well. It's going to be a very windy day in Sydney, Nova Scotia on Thursday, November the 21st, 2013. And Cape Breton Highlands will be even windier as well. We're going to go for a drive on Cabot Trail. Be very careful driving a car, because the wind's going to be real high, especially up in Cape Breton Highlands and Cheticamp and Etang and those places, because the wind's going to pick up in Sydney, Nova Scotia on Thursday. It's going to bring a lot of wind, and stay away from the beaches and don't go near the shore, because waves could be very big along the coast of Cape Breton Island, around Sydney and Glace Bay, and Waterford, North Sydney, and Sydney Mines and Louisbourg as well, because the wind's going to be pretty high from the same storm that's bringing snow in Brook and Grand Falls, Windier, Newfoundland. Best of luck to you. People in Sydney, Nova Scotia, be prepared for high winds. Take care and stay safe. Don't get caught in the wind. Be safe. Dress warm.